So, everybody, this is Isaac.
I smoke weed.
Progamer123 hashtag.
Do it. Say it. Say your name.
Progamer123 hashtag. Try again. Stop before I have to shoot you.
He has more subs than I do.
Weed every
Exactly.
day.
Oh, stop it with weed! Newsflash, this is Paris, this is Paris. He's gonna start making his own YouTube channel called Killer Gold Numbers that I have no idea what is. And why are you behind me?
Guys, it's Killer Gold 097. Deal with it.
Can I watch your video?
Savage 101.
What?
My name is Killer. Street 573.
Okay, everybody, we are gonna make a nerf war. Okay, guys, let's go.
Golden potato!
Okay, so that team, Angel.
Guys, your
Okay,
spot
is it fine
Ours is over there. Deal with it.
no, your real name for a few seconds? Okay.
Be quiet.
So that Pro Gamer and Paris are on one team. They're Team Blue. Isaac and me, they're called the Golden Potatoes actually. So we're gonna be called the
Can we be called the Golden Weed?
No. I said
I'm sorry.
okay, so we're Team
sorry,
Green.
viewers.
They should have bullet.
I just smoke weed every day.
So me and Isaac are gonna be Team Green or whatever we decide to change it or whatever.
No.
We're golden potatoes.
No,
This is
no.
Progamer.
Yeah, they're the Golden Potatoes because they want to be Golden Potatoes.
We're just
This is
Bananas.
Progamer123
we're a bunch of
hashtag.
guys.
What-
We're a bunch of Jacksepticeye guys.
No, please. That's another YouTuber's channel. I don't want to get this video flagged. Please.
I'm gonna post this on my channel too. So this right here is actually a sling fire. I'm gonna shoot people in the head with
Headshots.
You little bag! No, now we're gonna stack the potatoes. It's actually from this.
Okay.
Guys, let's start the game. I'm gonna hide in the backyard. You guys start in the front yard. So let's go.
We need a weapon.
It's all cool.
It's a ding.
I can't.
He snapped it in half. That.
Wow.
Boy.
Well, he snapped that and that in half with it. So are you sure about that? Let's start the game.
Snipe you all day long.
With what gun?
A pistol, boy.
But
You can't.
Bruh, point the camera at this. Okay, guys, remember Sean said for me to do that again? Well, look.
He's gonna chop your head
Yeah,
right
that
off.
And this.
I'm scared.
I'm actually scared.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Ow, hit
die.
my knuckles.
Stupid parrot!
I'm going to. That's Felicia.
Guys, I need a different bullet. That bullet doesn't work with this gun.
Well, shut up and deal with it.
Here, I'll give you a different one then.
Shut up and deal with it.
That is the one I
Here, give me the blue one. Give me one of those. I'll give you that.
No, this is
Savage potato 123.
there!
Hashtag knuckle.
Bring the food,
Fag.
good to feel good.
I got
Okay,
it.
come on, we gotta
Here,
go.
I'll pull it back.
No, I got it.
Let's
Oh.
go! We're going on a trip.
No. Oh, guys, by the way, no singing.
right there.
No.
So much.
No.
By the way, guys, I'll push to it.
No.
My boots. See this wood, right?
No kicking, Paris.
Why you missing? You
There we
tripping.
go.
Paris, no kicking by
Daddy,
the.
he's tripping.
Shush. That means you're high.
He's no kicking by the way, cause that hurts. Okay, come on, let's go.
We're going on a trip.
My ammo.
We're going on a trip in our beat up rocket ship.
No singing songs, okay?
Oh.
Cause I don't want this video to get copyrighted and then taken down. Cause that can happen.
Oh, I'm sorry,
And if you
viewers.
touch- and
I'm
if
sorry
you,
being mean.
And if you talk about like,
I know.
a whole bunch of bad words, you might get your video flagged unless you're like a super famous YouTuber with like thousands of subs. Then you're
sorry,
good.
guys.
Mostly.
You dropped your butt. You dumb.
They come in.
They tripping.
I didn't pause the video. I forgot I paused it. I didn't pause. Well, there's some extended footage. Over there!
So right there.
I saw him over there.
Medea.
They're planning on trapping us.
Medea. Where are you?
I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna go over the other side.
Need a bullet?
I saw him go this way. Let's go get him.
Hold on, wait. Let's go.
Or maybe it's a trap.
Let's go.
Come on.
Hold on, let's go.
Wait. Come on. Oh. He's over there. Let's go the other way. We keep going our neighbor's yard. This is where our neighbor's yard and our yard splits, by the way. So we're not trespassing.
Your bullet's gonna come out soon. We need a gun.
Whoa! Oh, come on! Oh, hey, chill. This is my friend's house, by the way, so I'm good. Isaac, run! Whoa! Okay. You got me. Hey, I surrender.
Put your hand down.
I'm recording.
Take your gun. Hold it.
Thanks. I'm coming!
Tell you what Jenna too.
Hey, my gun! You trying to climb the other side?
No, now you get up. You can have my gun since I'm dead.
But I'm recording. Hey, check the gun.
Put that hands up, boy.
Guys, come on. Run! He's gonna get up. I'm going. Okay, I'm here. No, I'm gonna be fine. I have to find Paris. Go check the backyard. Uh-oh. Here. Hey, I don't have a gun.
No ammo.
Oh, come on.
This is just a warning.
Okay.
They'll be your head.
Uh-huh.
Your inners will be your outers.
Okay. It's a longer video. Okay, I'm gonna cut this part out. Ugh. And uh-oh.
Hey,